Hello to everyone. Just to summarize everything from my first riding day, it is actually altogether 940 kilometers, and now it's almost 5 o'clock, so I have 11 riding hours. I stopped 3 times for 15-20 minutes each one, and actually 4 times, but the 4th time I stopped only for 5 minutes to go to the toilet and buy a road vignette. So that is pretty much everything. And I spent today around 60 euros for petrol, 40 euros for this road vignette, 38 euros, but it is for 1 year, so I'm gonna use it again, and about 20 euros for food and water. I finished 2 hydration packs, 2 liters each one, so that means altogether I drank today 4 liters of water, and it's just finished now. And today is Saturday, 9th of June. Tomorrow, with my friend Todor, who is going to meet me now here in Zofingen. Tomorrow with Todor, we're gonna enjoy a few of the famous mountain passes. So we're gonna spend the whole day here riding around Switzerland, and then on Monday I will head south to France. So this is just to update how my trip is going. It was a really long day, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a better fun. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Ciao.